How to switch to a business account on Instagram. So first of all, you want to go to Instagram. Once you're here, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, and then you can see those three lines at the upper right corner. Tap on that. Once you're here, tap on settings, and then scroll down and tap on account. Once you're here, scroll down till you see switch to a professional account. Then go through this and then choose what best describes you. I'm gonna choose entrepreneur and click done. Now you want to choose creator account or business account. In my case, I'm going to choose business as account, and then you choose next. And then you could choose whether you want to show your email or phone number. I'm going to have it off, so I'm going to choose next once again. And then I'm going to choose skip because I'm not going to log into my Facebook account and connect it with that. So I'm going to choose skip. And once you're here, you can simply just tap on the upper left corner where there's a cross, and it'll be turned into a business account. Or you could go through all the steps. So I'm going to just choose the cross. And that's it, guys. It's a business account now. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.